Welcome to No Silly Questions. This is a show where I, Gillian Bruce, your host, attempt to answer any question that you have about Salesforce, no matter how silly you might think it is. And if I can't answer it, I'll tap into one of our incredible experts to help get you the answer. Today, we've got a question from Jonathan.
My name is Jonathan Foerster, and I'm in Austin, Texas. And my question is, why is it that once person accounts are enabled, they cannot be disabled?
Thanks for your question, Jonathan. I think that is a fantastic question. And guess what? I actually talked to our product team who manages person accounts and got an answer directly from the product manager himself, Haidong. Haidong, what do you have to say?
As you all know, person accounts are special. Back in 2007, when we built this feature, we did not prioritize being able to disable them since admins were essentially able to hide the functionality from their users.
Now, Haidong sent me a lot of information, and here is the gist of it. Now that we're seeing people want to disable them and understand the need for that, we do have a way to do it. It's not easy. It's complicated. It does involve reverting the code and converting the customer data by breaking the person account into an account and a contact. So yeah, it's not ideal. We know that. But the product team does want to work on it. But you know how they get to work on it? By you voting for this idea on the Idea Exchange. Jonathan, thank you so much for your question. Haidong, thank you so much for your expertise. And I look forward to answering more of your not so silly Salesforce questions. So make sure you get those questions ready. You can send them to me on Twitter, on the Trailblazer Community. I want to know, what do you want to know about Salesforce? All right, with that, get your questions ready and I'll catch you next time in the cloud.